So babishas, it is wash day and we ain't got no shampoo, so I said I'm just gonna go ahead and put together a video about hairstyles that you can do on some crusty, dusty hair. So if y'all are ready for this video, keep on watching. Alright, so for this first look, I'm just going to pluck my hair out a little bit, add a little bit of water to it, and that's going to be look number 1, our messy fro. Up next is a hairstyle I have never tried before but have always loved on other people, and it's going to be a fake bang with some hair up and some hair down. Hold on, y'all. We need to talk about this Aunt Jackie's Curls and Coils Quench Moisture Intensive Leave-In Conditioner. Y'all, this stuff is amazing. So it's ultra hydrating, deep moisture therapy for parched hair. It uses shea butter and olive oil, and I'm telling y'all, it's amazing. Like, it's so good. And now I'm using the black castor oil and flaxseed Eco Styler gel to slick down the sides. And there we have it, style number 2. For style number 3, all I'm doing is adding a headband, and we're going to have some fake bangs and a high puff. The secret tool for every natural hairstyle is a pick, because that is the only way you're going to get your roots fluffed out to the maximum capacity that you are looking for, I promise. This next hairstyle is super easy as well, and I already have a tutorial of it on my channel. It is my signature natural hairstyle. I'm going to part the middle of my hair and put 2 puff balls in the front, and we're going to have a kind of a rendition of a sum up, sum down. Don't forget to let me know in the comments below which style is your favorite. And also don't forget to turn on your notification bell, because, you know, you guys, you gotta know when I post. Like, that's how we keep this commitment going. And after we finesse these edges, that will be the end of look 4. So we gonna slide right into look number 5, and it's gonna be very simple. All I'm doing is the original 2 puffs, so split the middle of your head all the way down, pop those puffs in, and let's call it a day, honey. I ain't even gonna hold y'all. I have never done style 6 a day in my life, but I said, why the hell not? I'm just gonna add some twists, do me a little Afro-centric look. So I'm gonna add 2 twists to the front of my hair, and we gonna call it style 6, honey. And just to be clear, these are flat twists, not just regular twists. So they're connected to my scalp. For style number 7, we're going to put 3 flat twists going down towards our ear and then 3 flat twists going across the front of our head. And the back will be in a low bun or ponytail, depending on, the length of your hair and what you want to do. All right, and for the final hairstyle, it's going to be a traditional slick bun. Nothing crazy, nothing special. I'm just going to slick the front part of my hair down and the back part of my hair, and it's going to be in a little protective bun in the back. A new product that I use when I do this style is the Got To Be Glued styling glue. It's really not glue, it's a gel. It's just a strong hold, and I use it because I have really curly hair, so the flyaways get ridiculous with this hairstyle. And this is look 8, a slick down traditional bun. That is it for this video. I am exhausted. If you enjoyed it, make sure you give it a big thumbs up, subscribe below. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.